Welcome to everybody. We're talking about these topics. We have to find the value of x. Notice here 4 by 9 equal to 27 by 8. This base and this base are not the same. So we should be same for solution this question. How to possible it? Here 4 and 9 we found from 4 equal to 2 times 2 equal to 2 square, and from 9 equal to 3 times 3 equal to 3 square. So we should write 2 square by 3 square. 2 square by 3 square power of x plus 1 is equal to here 27 by 8. 27 equal to 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 3 cube, and 8 equal to 2 times 2 times 2 equal to 2 cube, and from 27 and 8 we found 3 cube by 2 cube power of 2 minus x. What do we next? Here 2 square and 3 square. 2 square and 3 square. 2 and 3 are not same. 2 and 3 is base, that's are not same, but power 2 and 2 are same. So the rules a power n by b power n. Here power is same but base different. So we should write a by b bracket power n. It transfer to it. 2 by 3 square, and here power bracket x plus 1 is equal to 3 and 2 are not equal, but power 3 and 3 are same, so we write like this: 3 by 2 power 3 and bracket power 2 minus x. What should we do next? 2 by 3, here to multiply x plus 1, 2 into x and 2 into 1 equal to 2x plus 2 and 2 equal to 3 multiply 2 and 3 equal and 3x. 3 by 2, 3 by 6 minus 3 into x equal to 3x. Here 2 and 3, here 2, 3 by 2. These are not same, so we should to be same. How to do that? If we follow the rules, A by B, when minus its sense B by A. So we put here minus to sense this 2 by 3 2x plus 2 equal to 2 by 3 minus 6 minus 3x. Now we notice that this base and this base are same. 2 by 3 power of 2x plus 2 equal to 2 by 3 minus and here plus. Minus and plus equal to minus 6. And minus equal to plus 3x. What should we do next? 2 by 3 power 2x plus 2 equal to 2 by 3. This write first 3x, then 6 minus 6. 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 are equal. So we have to remove from both sides of 2 by 3, 2 by 3. And we have found power 2x plus 2 equal to 3x minus 6. 2x plus 2 equal to 3x minus 6. This and this are same, so we write here 2x minus 3x, because here first if we taken from the right side to the left side, plus should be minus and is equal to this number and this number. Here minus 6 and here plus 2. Plus 2 should be minus when we transfer from the left side to the right side. Minus 2. Here minus plus 2x and minus 3x. If we subtract 2x from the minus 3x, we have found minus x. Minus x is equal to here minus 6 and minus 2. What should we do? Because minus and minus equal to plus. What plus? Number should be plus, not sign. Sign to be same, but number to be add. So minus 6 and minus 2 equal to minus 8. We notice that both sides have minus. We should remove the minus both sides. If we multiply minus 1 with minus x equal to minus and minus equal to plus x. Same way, minus 8 equal to minus 1 multiply minus 8 equal to minus and minus equal to plus 8. So we should write down here x equal to 8. So we have found the value of x equal to 8. Want, like and share. Allah Hafiz.